Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Genius Language Club at English with Arfamis. I'm Sadika from Chattogram. So friends, stop making these common mistakes in English. I have much friends. He don't like tea. He is an honest man. She is married with him. Say this, not this. I have much friends. I have many friends. He don't like tea. He doesn't. এখানে কিন্তু আমরা don't ব্যবহার করব না, এখানে আমরা doesn't ব্যবহার করব। doesn't এর ফুল ফর্ম কি? does not like tea। তাই এটা যদি আমরা তাড়াতাড়ি বলতে চাই আমরা এটাকে বলতে পারি he doesn't like tea। he doesn't like tea। He is an honest man। He is an honest man। He is an honest man। honest এর সময় কিন্তু আমরা an ব্যবহার করব। She is married with him। She is married to him। She is married to him। So that's all for today. Allah Hafiz।